Scooby-Doo, it's everyone's favorite, famous, and fantastic boomer and vintage lens enthusiast. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Canon G7X, which his full name is the PowerShot G7X Mark II. The Mark II, this camera is worth more used than at its issue price. Do you believe that? Well, what's his claim to fame? Let's look. See, I got the little movie icon. I'm going to press the menu. Let's skip the stuff. Time-lapse movie settings. Shooting scene 1. Interval shots. 1 second, 900 shots. Auto exposure for each shot. Review image disabled. Time required is 15 minutes. And the playback time is 30 minutes. If I hit this button, well, I can make it more. Suppose I make it 2 seconds. It's going to take 30 minutes, but it's still going to be playback at 30 seconds. 3, see, it keeps adding the time required, but it plays back at 30 seconds. That's the max, all right? So I like 1. But let's go back real quick. Scene 2 is shoots slowly changing subjects such as clouds. Interval shots, 5 seconds, 720. So it takes an hour, and you're getting a playback time of 24 seconds. But for clouds, 5 seconds is too much. Really. Clouds are anywhere from a half a second to maybe 2 seconds. So I think this is erroneous advice they're giving you. Let's go back to menu. Menu. Oh, it's a touchscreen. So let's go. I like scene 1, which is interval shots 1 second and 900 shots for a 30-second playback. This is built into this camera. All right, but the thing is, this has a zoom lens 4.2x with IS, but it's going to be on a tripod, so that doesn't matter. 8.8 to 36.8 millimeters, f1.8 to 2.8. So it's a very powerful lens. Since it's a zoom, you could zoom up on things. Like I do a lot of time lapse of clouds using the Yi 4K action cam, but it has a fixed lens. It's fixed wide angle, fisheye lens, fixed focus, right? Now you could turn off, or you could correct for the fisheye, and it does a really good job. You do get more parameters to pick, like it goes from I think a half a second every photo to 1 hour. So you know you can take 1 picture every hour as long as your battery lasts. Haha, what a joke that is. Now even in that camera I like to use 1 second. And sometimes I use 2 seconds. Plus it lets you pick the length of your video. It's just like 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. If you run for 2 minutes and that's an hour to take your time lapse, well, the weather could change. So I find a half hour is the best. Like this one runs at 15 minutes. It's so short, if you hang out, you could just hit the button again and do one sequentially right after another. I've tried to do that, but sometimes you get busy and you forget. So we're going to look at 2 30-second movies. I shot of this as some clouds, and say the Yi gives you the whole sky, you know, half the sky. So you got to make sure there's something dramatic happening. But this thing lets you zoom up on detail, and sometimes that's really cool. Sometimes things happen along the horizon, and you could zoom up on that. So as usual, there'll be in the comments there'll be a flag to tell you where to go to skip this introduction, because I'm going to be shooting more photos with this thing, and then you can just go right to the time lapse. But enough of that. Let's go check out this time lapse, huh?